Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to showcase our Baily double arch door today. All right, so we're on the Baily door. This is a 72 by 96 inch door, which means it measures from outside to outside 72 inches, 96 inches from all the way to the top to the bottom of the threshold. I just noticed the finger marks didn't clean it very well, but anyways, this is a black door with frost glass that we're actually showcasing. We do carry this door in different colors. You can also special order in different colors, and you can also special order it in different glass, and we try to stock it with different glass types also. Pretty new door. We just put out in December 2019. So these are all solid pickets. These are all solid pieces of metal that have been, heated, bent, welded all up to size. Again, guys, all of our doors are handmade. None of it is machine made. There's no parts of this that's machine made, except maybe for this little leaf. But these are all completely 100% handmade doors. This has a kick plate at the bottom. On custom orders, you can also eliminate the kick plate if you like, if you want to take the design all the way down and have a larger piece of glass. This is a right hand in swing door, which means this door opens, it's locked right now, but it opens in to the right wall. That's a right hand in swing. If you want this door to open, that'll be a left hand in swing. This has a 6-inch jamb. Pretty standard in America to have a 6-inch jamb. What else? One piece frame. So the frame and the threshold is all one piece. You basically install the frame, level it out with our instructions, and then you take the doors, male and female hinges, put them on, you're pretty much done, and then double check the levels after you're done with that. Awesome door. We really like this. This was actually a customer's design that he drew himself, and this is actually the only door that we have that was the customer's design. But he allowed us to use it, and I think we'll have a lot of success with it, and pretty cool. Let me show you guys what the other side looks like. Oh, one more thing. This door, we do make this door in a flat top, full arch, different shapes that we make. Also, we do make this door in a single door, double door, and doors with side lights. We've actually made this door with multiple side lights next to each other. It actually looks awesome. But let me flip this around, show you guys what the other side looks like. Okay, we're on the interior side of the door. I'll show you guys how the glass opens. Untwist the knobs, flick it over, glass opens up. All of our doors have a dual seal, so there's a seal on the glass and there's another seal on the actual door itself. Another cool thing that we do is we slope the bottom of this so it's at an angle. So if water's hitting from the outside to the door, it'll just drain down, or if it hits the glass, it'll just come straight down and drain out. That'll give you a lot more longevity on the door. The kick plate, same design as the front. We duplicated on the inside part of it. And all of our hinges are greasable. So these are little grease nipples that you can actually put a grease gun and put some grease in it over time. You don't have to take the door off and put grease in it. They're all foam filled. This makes it so it's not hollow on the inside when you knock on it. And it doesn't build up any moisture on the bottom of the tubes from just human nature. Not human nature, Mother Nature. Sorry. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys on the next door. Thank you. Hi everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed our Baily arch door showcase today. If you guys have any questions, contact us at info@pinkysirondoors.com, or you can call us 844-843-6677. or leave us some comments and we'll get back to you guys as soon as possible. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. See you guys on the next one.